Chico. Gentlemen, 6-game winning streak, the longest streak in NLEX franchise history. And coach, this also marks the start of a tough 3-game stretch. What is it about how your players played today that you like and is a sign of growth and maturity from the team?
Alam naman namin na malakas yung Converge. They've been playing so well. So we had to find the extras. Yan, saan namin hahanapin yung extra? Kasi malakas sila umiscore, malakas sila dumipensa. So we just had to find that extras. And the players had, just did their job in finding that extra.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Robert, very vocal ka when it comes to being happy for your teammates na lumalabas yung mga laro nila. And Coach John just mentioned about extra. Anong masasabi mo sa lahat ng extra na pinakita nyo as a team that contributed to the win?
Yun nga, masaya talaga ako sa teammates ko. Grabe, Cyrus, Tony, Brandon, Bayo. Ibang klase yung pinagisa ng mga batang to. Rookie, pero yun nga, binibigyan namin sila ng kumpiyansa, binibigyan sila ng kumpiyansa ni Coach. Grabe sila magtrabaho, and sabi ko nga, malakas talaga yung convert, talent-wise. Sabi ko, lagyan na natin ng effort. For sure, mananalo tayo. And credit sa teammates ko, grabe si Bayo, sila Tony. Lakas yung dalawa, twin tower talaga, pero tinan mo yung rebound, dumikit kami. Credit talaga sa dalawang mga big man namin ibang klase. So, hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi kami nag-6-1. So, sila talaga yung malaking contributor sa team namin. So,
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Beto, sabi, ina-credit yung mga teammates ko, but during nung time na nag-aabol yung Converts, ikaw yung tumira ng mga mabibigat na shots eh.
Yun nga, first half, nilalaro namin na sa team. Alam nila, makakatanggap talaga sila ng tira. Lahat ng tira namin, lahat. Pantay-pantay kami, lahat. Nagtatrabaho kami. So, pagdating ng lane game, kailangan ng extra. Ayun, punti lang yung shoots.
Coach, your fight for the lead with Magnolia, everything seems fine right now, but siguro ngayon, ang nabol nila, probably top 4. So, how do you see yung, tina-target pa kayong wins to get to that top 4?
No, we're not targeting any wins. We're targeting ourselves. Paano kami naglalaro. Hindi yung we need to get to this win. Ang kailangan namin is mag-improve kami araw-araw. Every practice, every minute, every game, every day mag-improve. Kung if it translates to win, then so be it. Pero mas interesado kami sa nilalaro namin ng offense at defense. And it's always a luxury to have a Robert Bollick in your team. Na alam niya na endgame, alam ni Berto, when it is his time. And it's just a luxury for a coach to have somebody like Berto na when it's nitty-gritty time, alam mo maaasahan mo si Berto to make the right decision and make the big shots. And he's there's a luxury for him.
Isa na namang comeback yung na-foil yun yung napigilan yun. Ano naman describe yung composure din?
Mabuti nga yung nag-comeback sila, again, hindi sila nag-panic, they kept their poise, nagkaroon sila ng good shot, alam ni Berto na, sige, kailangan natin ng puntos, alam ko na kailangan mapunta sa kanya yung bola, na kailangan ng puntos. Anyway, he will attract the defense, and he will, spray the ball to the open teammate. Pero yun ang maganda sa team na hindi sila nag-panic nung humabol. Kasi in-open ng court nung conversion laro eh. Binuksan na nila. So their athleticism and their talent really nag-flourish itong fourth quarter.
Do you think, Coach, yung experience in those games parang na-fast track with this stretch of wins na dikit, na umahabol? Do you fast track yung parang kailangan nyo kasi ng experience sa playoff time eh. So do you think na fast track yung paano yung
in a way, hindi ko man masabing na fast track, pero mabuti nakatikim kami ng ganun. Mabuti nanalo. Kasi ang hirap yung nakatikim ka ng ganun, tapos natalo ka. Pero mabuti nakatikim kami ng ganun at nanalo. So mas, mas positive ang outlook nila ngayon na kayang gawin.